Dear freshers, this video is for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Ifa. You can call me Riley for short, and you know how we do it. We should go back with another video. So today I'll be talking about life as a university fresher. As you can see in the intro, this video is for my dear freshers going to school. So because I care about you guys so much, I decided to do a video for you guys to give you some tips. Although some of you are already experienced, I must say, but I still see the need in giving you tips, especially if you are coming to the University of Cape Coast. Yes, I'm in the University of Cape Coast, so I know what I'm coming to say. Though it's just been like a year and a half, I guess, year and a half. But my dear, the things I have seen and the things that have seen me, it's not a joke. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So life as a university fresher, well, I must say it's stressful and hectic in your first week because you don't know your way around, and sometimes you'll be so late to class, not because you are intentional, but you just don't know the venue. So you have to ask, hey, where's LT? Where's this? You're so confused. So 1100 fresher day, first time day, it's normal for you to be confused every single day. And I didn't hear that they are doing it, so that's bad. That's fire. You didn't write the quiz. That's fire in your ass, under your eyes. So yeah, so basically this is what I'm going to be talking about: how to get organized, preparing for class. I mean, how you go about your things. So first one is read notices and announcements every day. You can't afford to miss a quiz on IA, or you can't afford to miss class, or maybe they are doing a departmental meeting or something. You can't afford to miss it because they will say something relevant that will be of help to you, and level 100 you don't have a lot of friends, so you have to go and hear it for yourself. You might go and ask someone and the person will give you some plenty things that will even confuse you them more. So just go read notices to keep you updated. Don't just be roaming out and asking people, hey, what did they say? Hey, this is not SHS. Please, university, you have to be open-minded. You have to explore. Read. Yes, read everything you see on the notice board in your class group. Like, just read, just be observant. Okay, second one, go to class early, please. First week sometimes they'll pardon you, but me, first week I was late for French class. Me dear, hey, French class, I was late. I didn't know what to do. I was just standing outside looking inside the class. I was like, hey God, should I enter or I should wait, or I should miss the class? Hey, first class too. Hey, I called my sister at home. My sister was like, hey, are you mad? Enter the class, stop fooling over there. Then I entered. The lecturer was like, hey, are you in this class? Then everyone turned, they were looking at me. I was shy. I was so shy. Hey, but then you have to act like you're bold and all. I was like, oh, safe. I was confused with the venue, first week, so we are not really familiar with the lecture house. I was like, oh, okay. You can sit down. I was like, thank you, sir. Hey, my heart was I was relieved. Please, if you don't want to be in Wahala, some lecturers, they don't understand. They'll just sack you. Walk out of my class. What do you mean? You're not serious. They'll just sack you. So please, sometimes you do write quiz early in the morning, sharp. Then you'll be late for class, then you'll miss. Please, be punctual. Go to class early. The early bird gets the worm first. Anna.
Hey! Everybody wanna zoom.
Wanna smampo. Okay. So don't miss quizzes. Don't get into trouble with your lecturers. The same thing. Number 5. Don't let pressure barb you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. See, some people, they don't have anything. When they were coming to school, they brought guys. The SHS now that they brought. They don't have anything, but the pressure they will give you, my dear, don't be deceived. It be lie. I said what? It be lie. Some people can't. They can flaunt. I don't know where they get the money from. I don't know whether it's their school fees. I don't know. They can flaunt money and iPhones and all that pressure. You are using iPhone 5,000. You can't even buy breakfast, lunch, and dinner for yourself. But you're using iPhone 5,000 and you're hungry. You're starving. What's the point? No, what is the point? Do you understand what I'm saying? So please, when you go, just be yourself. Me, I'm real. If I don't have money, I'm broke. Charlie, I go for what my money. Hey, bro. What my money can afford, the food I can afford. If it's KMK, Charlie, we move. Don't let pressure be and now go and buy pizza and shawarma and you don't have money. You be going out nightclub, chilling. Please sleep. If you don't have any, just sleep. Watch movie. There's Wi-Fi, Netflix, like YouTube, anything. Just cruise, just chill, Bob. Don't let anybody's pressure back.
They've been forced to singleness. They just can't be single. Why can't you be single? Don't you have anything doing? Don't you have any books reading?
So, campus relationship, guys, I'll be honest with you. If you're not ready, don't enter, because you stress yourself. Like, you just stress yourself. Please, if you know you can't go and do love, and hey, my boyfriend said I should come here. Hey, my boyfriend said, if you are not capable of doing it, please, again, I'm on my knees. Please don't even go there, because it's another work aside studying. So that one is up to you. If you go and you can combine love and education, why not? I mean, you can do it. Sister, if you have bomb, you have bomb. Don't go and put it on relationship. Deal with it. So yeah, basically, I wouldn't advise campus relationship, but you can give it a try. If it works out, cool. If it doesn't, patiently and peacefully and quietly walk away. Yeah. So yeah, that's the last tip. If you're not ready for a relationship, especially on campus, sleep. Go to class. Don't be doing stew for the boys. Please. Have time for yourself. Treat yourself well. Go to church. Hey, last point. people don't go to church when they are on campus, but when they go home, they go to church with the excuse that my church is not on campus. But there are other churches. There are a whole lot of churches that you can attend. So that is not a good excuse, my sister. The way you are at home now, be the same way. Don't let pressure barb you. You hear? Don't go and live a fake life. Don't have two lives. You live the good girl, the holy angel at home, and when you come to school, hey, everybody will see your character. You make people confused, be like, is she the one I know in school? Like, is she? No, don't do that. Don't do it. You cause great harm to yourself, my dear. So, dear freshers, please, as you are going to school, we wish you all the best. We wish you a safe journey, and you can share this video with any fresher you know. Tag them in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, then I don't know what's wrong with you. So it has been your girl Afa Biwi on today's video. I'll see you in the next video.